and welcome to this short explainer video on green innovation from our 30-day Sustainability Challenge Toolkit. To begin with this topic, we want to ask you, have you ever wondered how we can grow our economies without damaging the planet? Well, that is where green innovation comes in. Green innovation means using new ideas, technologies, or ways of working that reduce environmental harm while supporting economic success. It is about solving environmental challenges like pollution, waste, and climate change in ways that are smart, creative, and sustainable. In this video, we will introduce you to how green innovation can help us to achieve our global sustainability goals. We will also look at some successful examples from different industries before prompting you to start thinking of your own ideas. Whether you are an aspiring entrepreneur, an activist, or just curious about the future, this video will help you to think about the power of innovation for a greener, fairer economy. So, what exactly is green innovation? This refers to the process of developing products, services, or systems that reduce negative environmental impacts and promote sustainable development. Think of solar panels turning sunlight into energy, biodegradable packaging replacing plastic, or vertical farms growing food in cities with less water and land. These are all examples of green innovations that address real-world challenges. In industries like transport, construction, agriculture, and fashion, innovators are coming up with smart solutions that save resources, reduce waste, and create new jobs. Imagine you're solving an environmental problem in your community, like too much plastic waste or high energy costs. What green technologies or ideas could you use? Maybe you can design a product that reuses materials or an app that encourages recycling. This is the heart of green innovation, identifying problems and coming up with practical, sustainable solutions. To turn green innovation from an idea into reality, we need to understand how to assess its feasibility in a real-world business context. This means examining whether the solution is technically possible, economically viable, and environmentally beneficial. For example, installing solar panels may seem like a great idea, but questions like what's the upfront cost? Will it pay off in the long run? And is it suitable for our location? All need to be considered. Feasibility studies help entrepreneurs make smart decisions by comparing options and predicting risks. Looking at real-life case studies can also help. For example, a small cafe in Germany that switched to solar power and cut their energy bills by 40%, or a youth-led startup in Portugal that turned used clothes into upcycled fashion. These stories show that with the right approach, green innovation can work in real life, and anyone can be part of it. With this in mind, it is time to take a moment to think about your daily life. Where do you see waste, pollution, or inefficiency? Could you be the one to innovate a greener solution? The world needs people who are open to new technologies, who see challenges as opportunities, and who are willing to experiment with change. Innovation doesn't always mean creating something brand new. It can mean improving what already exists. Whether you're interested in business, science, design, or social change, your creativity and awareness can drive green innovation. Green innovation is more than a buzzword. It's a path toward a more sustainable and inclusive economy. Through understanding its value, learning from real examples, and thinking creatively, young people like you can lead the way. So stay curious, stay inspired, and let your ideas help shape a greener world.